Hey guys, it's Kiara from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're gonna be trying out a new series here called My Lead Gen Secrets Clickbank Case Study Challenge. Okay, so basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start like noting how much money we spend, how much money we make, all of that good stuff there, cause just to kind of keep track of everything and see how well it does. And we're gonna use three accounts. We're gonna use three accounts for this. Just want to see how it does. The accounts are all open at very different times, so they all have very different amount of leads. But we're just gonna track and see how well we do with three accounts, and try to figure out if we can make money. Like if we make a profit. I know we can make money with it. I want to see if we make good profit with it. And try to like track it down. As you can see, I'm on my Clickbank here. I ain't made no money in a while. I got a sale. 21st. I don't know what that is, but it's not using my lead gen secrets or anything like that. But so what we're gonna do is just track everything we got. I made a little spreadsheet here. Pretty much there's another guy, he's doing my lead gen secrets on videos called Mike Eisner. I just kind of subtly copy some of this, his spreadsheets a little bit, and just try to keep up with everything in general. So anyway, let's go back here, and I just want to see what happens if I sit down and just focus on Clickbank, nothing but Clickbank for this. And I just want to see how well it does. I want to show you guys how well it does, and we'll see what happens. So we're gonna go with products I think will sell. I've gotten sales with before, stuff like that. I'm gonna show you what the products we're gonna go with here. We're gonna go with two products in particular. The first one is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. The second one is I try to gravity. Let's go with rank. There you go. Write out reviews. Those are the two. Those are the two products we're gonna use. We're gonna try to get some sales with both of them. Both of them do really well. It's reported it does really well with My Lead Gen Secrets. There's a ton of people who are getting sales with this. The My Lead Gen Secrets like Facebook group talk about using just social paid here a lot. A ton of people are just using social paid and write out reviews to get sales. So we're gonna do it ourselves here. I hope you guys like this right here. I'm gonna show you everything, and we'll see if we make a profit or not, see if it's useful or not. And we're gonna do exactly what the page tell us. We ain't gonna change the email at all. We're gonna do exactly what it say. We ain't changing no emails. We ain't doing nothing different with the emails. All right. So anyway, let's start here. First, let me log in on my first account here. All right. So we here. We're gonna just stick to this email list. Sorry I ain't been around lately, man. I just been trying stuff and been kind of busy. Some stuff I tried did not work out. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and click on this. I'll tell y'all, like I stated, I don't want to show you guys anything if it doesn't work for me. If I can't get it to work, I won't show you guys it. So, I just want to be authentic with you guys. So I was trying some stuff out the last couple of days. It didn't work out, so that's all. But anyway, let's see here. We're gonna do exactly this here. This is a case study. I don't know what may happen here, right? I'm pretty sure I get some sales. I don't know if I'll make more than what I spend. So we're gonna go with this. The first one, a YouTuber wants to hire you, right? I'm gonna post that. Change that. Pick first name for the name here. All you really need to change. You go down here. all this. We're just gonna put our name and be done with it. What does it say? Put here. Alright, name, blah blah blah, signature, blah, copy. And we're gonna just post exactly what it tells us to post here. My signature. My signature here, bold as place. Make sure we get the first name or name. We're gonna just copy exactly what it tells us to copy here. Paste. Boom. Alright, so for country, pick your area. There's no country on. Alright, so it's looking solid. Alright, so we're gonna pick the link here. Right. So let's get our link. MLGS1. That's gonna this account will be MLGS1. It's our biggest account, so we're gonna go with it. Place it here. This very simple, very easy to do. Remember, this very easy and simple to do. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna pick perfect timing. What perfect timing does exactly is that the email shows up around the time they usually check their emails. So it's a really good chance of them checking it, right? That's what perfect timing does. It ends up on the top of your list. Like, you check your first email first. You know, the one at the top first. Most of the time, most people do that. They check the first one, the second one, and go down like that. So if it's supposed to put you around the top of the list, so it's a very good chance they'll check their email. Anyway, we're gonna click on perfect timing. We'll send an email. All right, email has been sent. Okay, this is good. So we're gonna click on this here, and we're gonna log out and get into our other account here. We're gonna pop in, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, and then we're gonna pretty much just copy paste here. So we'll get right here. All right, all this. Should have hit perfect timing. All right, so we need to change the link here to 2 to make sure we know which account gets sales. And that's about it. So we hit. All right, so now that's sent. Gonna go into the next one here. We just log out here, hit members login. We go to our next account. All right, so we click on mail system, and we do the exact same thing here. This is the last thing I copied with this. I'm gonna post that in. I'm gonna go ahead and change this to 3. I won't forget. Right. We're just gonna get our link here. Copy. Paste it right there. And there you go. Oh, I forgot to check preview. Make sure the preview, make sure it works. I forgot to check, but I don't know. I just was confident it works. Anyway. The link works, so we good. So you send this last one here, and there you go, guys. There you go. All right, so that's that. We're gonna check and see how many sales we get. We're gonna line it up, make sure everybody's paying attention, you know. We're just gonna keep up with it this time. I haven't been keeping up with it. I was really just excited to get sales. I'm not even sure if I'm making a profit or not. Now I think about it. when I use Clickbank. I've been trying a bunch of different stuff too though. I've been using Warrior Plus, Digi24. I've gotten sales, but I don't know what the stats are there either. So we're gonna focus on what everybody else is doing, and it's working. That's a really good way to handle things. Like, pretty much just copy what other people are doing. Don't try to be innovative when it comes to trying to make money online. Usually the bad way to go, because if it works for them, it can work for you, you know? So we're just gonna try exactly what other people are doing and see what happens. All right, guys. Oh, one more thing. We there's a link at the bottom there of Saving Highway Global, which works better than Clickbank sales because you get recurring income. So you only gotta get a sale once, and then as long as they stay in the system, you get sales. All right. Right here, yeah, right here. So far I made $265 paid. You know what I mean? So yeah, and yeah, it's been working pretty well for me. But I'm stopping this for a minute because I want to kind of focus on making this work out. I want to do this first. Then we'll see what we can do with my lead. You know, Saving Highway Global. We might start over with that or something like that. And try to keep up with that. That's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. All of the links will be in the description. And I guess that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.